Which of the following is represented by the pink color in the interactive timeline? A. Major milestones. B. Locations. C. Species. D. Activities. The correct answer is C. Species. According to Jainism, what determines the goodness or quality of one's life? A. Social status. B. External circumstances. C. Divine intervention. D. One's karma. The correct answer is D. One's karma. What is the process through which humankind changes and develops towards an advanced stage of life? A. Tool making. B. Agriculture. C. Human evolution. D. Hunting. The correct answer is C. Human evolution. When did British archaeologist Alexander Ree conduct excavations in Adichnallur? A. 1876 to 1879. B. 1899 to 1905. C. 1915 to 1920. D. 1905 to 1910. The correct answer is B. 1899 to 1905. Who cultivated land near the hills of Rajmahal in Bihar? A. The Jats. B. The Santhals. C. The Sikhs. D. The Marathas. The correct answer is B. The Santhals. Who led the Satyagrahis who set up a camp at Udyavanam? A. K. Nageshwar Rao and C. Rajaji. B. Mahatma Gandhi and T. Prakasam. C. Rajaji and T. Prakasam. D. T. Prakasam and K. Nageshwar Rao. The correct answer is D. T. Prakasam and K. Nageshwar Rao. What was the age requirement for men to be eligible to contest elections for the village Sabha committees? A. 25 to 50 years old. B. 35 to 70 years old. C. 40 to 75 years old. D. 20 to 40 years old. The correct answer is B. 35 to 70 years old. Who took control of Gaul after the Roman Empire's decline? A. Alaric. B. Clovis. C. Theodoric. D. Odovacer. The correct answer is B. Clovis. Which countries coordinated to crush Serbia in the Balkans? A. German Army and Ottoman Empire. B. Austro-German Army and Bulgaria. C. Austro-German Army and Turkey. D. Austro-Hungarian Army and Greece. The correct answer is B. Austro-German Army and Bulgaria. Who is described as the master of great seafarers? A. Ramses II. B. Karikalan. C. Kanigyar. D. Panar. The correct answer is B. Karikalan. Which of the following was a key recommendation of the Nehru Report? A. Complete independence for India. B. Abolition of the central legislature. C. Dominion status for India. D. Formation of an independent Muslim state. The correct answer is C. Dominion status for India. Between which two groups did conflict become bloodier in Rome? A. Plebeians and patricians. B. Soldiers and civilians. C. Merchants and artisans. D. Slaves and free citizens. The correct answer is A. Plebeians and patricians. What did Gandhi do on Gokhale's advice before entering politics? A. He travelled extensively across India. B. He wrote a book on Indian politics. C. He started a Satyagraha movement. D. He established a new political party. The correct answer is A. He traveled extensively across India. What is one method used by anthropologists to study human history? A. Unearthing footprints. B. Analyzing ancient texts. C. Observing animal behavior. D. Conducting chemical experiments. The correct answer is A. Unearthing footprints. Which school of art was responsible for carving the Buddha statues at Bamyan Valley? A. Gandhar School. B. Sarnath School. C. Mathura School. D. Amravati School. The correct answer is A. Gandhar School. What treaty was signed between Hyder Ali and the British East India Company at the end of the First Anglo-Mysore War? A. Treaty of Allahabad. B. Treaty of Paris. C. Treaty of Madras. D. Treaty of Srirangapatnam. The correct answer is C. Treaty of Madras. What body of water is located to the east of the depicted landmasses? A. Arabian Sea. B. Red Sea. C. Indian Ocean. D. Bay of Bengal. The correct answer is D. Bay of Bengal. With whom did Prince Akbar form a pact in the Deccan? A. A Rajput king. B. Golconda's ruler. C. Shivaji's son Shambhuji. D. Bijapur's ruler. The correct answer is C. Shivaji's son Shambhuji. What was the name given to towns in East Africa up to Malacca? A. Nadu. B. Nagaram. C. Ur. D. Brahmadeya. The correct answer is B. Nagaram. On what model was the Virupaksha temple built? A. Panch Pandavar Rathas. B. Mamallapuram. C. Elephanta Island. D. Kachi Kailasanath Temple. The correct answer is D. Kachi Kailasanath Temple. What was the status of rulers in many Indian states who were restored by the British? A. They joined the rebellion against the British. B. They were independent of British control. C. They were placed under martial law. D. They became a major source of patronage. The correct answer is D. They became a major source of patronage. Which body of water borders the districts of Vizhinjam and East Godavari? A. Bay of Bengal. B. Arabian Sea. C. Polk Strait. D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is A. Bay of Bengal. Who founded the Sayyid dynasty? A. Khizar Khan. B. Ibrahim Lodi. C. Alauddin Alam Shah. D. Babur. The correct answer is A. Khizar Khan. When did the battle that decided the outcome occur? A. July 1760. B. January 1761. C. June 1761. D. December 1760. The correct answer is B. January 1761. How many islands initially comprised Bombay? A. 7. B. 3. C. 10. D. 5. The correct answer is A. 7. Who was defeated in Vahin in 1001? A. Nagrakot. B. Muhammad. C. Jaipala. D. Mahmud. The correct answer is D. Mahmud. Which reformer was significantly influenced by Periyar's ideas? A. B. M. Malabari. B. Muvalur Ramamirdham Ammayar. C. M. G. Ranade. D. Dr.S. Dharmambal. The correct answer is D. Dr.S. Dharmambal. The permanent settlement was associated with which region? A. Madras. B. North-West Province. C. Bengal. D. Punjab. The correct answer is C. Bengal. What concept did Ramlinga emphasize regarding living beings? A. Competition and individualism. B. Self-sufficiency and isolation. C. Hierarchy and control. D. Bonds of responsibility and compassion. The correct answer is D. Bonds of responsibility and compassion. In what year did the Dutch kill English traders and Javanis in Ambana? A. 1529. Born in 1623. Circa 1700. D. 1534. The correct answer is born in 1623. How did you score?